All right. So, surface area, homework is on. I'm going to make it worth 100 points, this homework.
This is homework?
Your homework.
Oh, wait, why is homework worth 100 points?
Because I need you to do it. Prepare you for the SBAC.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, I don't.
All right. I am thinking Alex this week.
Worth 1,000.
Sure, I like it.
No. No.
In preparation for your. Okay, maybe I won't say anything.
Oh, Miss O'Malley, remember how we were cutting shapes and then getting the shapes out of them? Like when you cut them, when you cut a 3D shape, you get 2D shapes?
Yes.
I was doing that on Alex yesterday.
Yeah, so some of the topics that we've covered are on your Alex. You might have not understood them or understood them before, but checking them out. I mean, surface area, population, sample, 3D slicing, all of that's going to be on your Alex. Okay, so everybody stop with the iPads. Where we're going to put our name on this packet for surface area. Another topic that you started in 6th grade, and then I get to do a little bit more advanced today. All right. You can have the iPad down. You don't have to hold it. If we had time, we would cut this out. It would be great. How many sides does a rectangular prism have?
3.
How many sides?
A rectangular prism has 8.
Okay, so let me number them.
Yeah, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Right? If I were to cut this out and fold it, it would create a rectangular prism, but we'll do that after the test. Okay, we call this the left, the right side, left side, right side, and then, let's see, this could be your top, and then this would be your bottom here, and then this would be front back.
I thought that was the bottom. Top.
Top and bottom will line up together. So like if I were to fold it, the top and the bottom are here, and then the front side and the back side. So here it is on a 3D. So I have the top of my box. All right, so this is the top, and this is the bottom, and then the right side, the left side, the front, and then the back side. So top, bottom. So if I were to open it, this would be called the net. All right, so surface area. Does anybody know what surface area is?
Me.
Yes.
The area of the surface.
So surface area, when I think about it, is like how much wrapping paper do I need? It's not how much stuff it's in here. It's not how much stuff. That's volume. Surface area is if I were to cover this up with wrapping paper, how much wrapping paper do I need? Not how much stuff fits inside. It's the outside. It's the area of the outside. If I were to paint this, how much paint do I need to cover all of the sides? Surface area. Okay. Surface area. So we need to find, I don't know, find the area of each side. And then add. I don't know. I don't love this definition. Find the area of each side and then add them. And then add
I think we
them.
learned about SA in 6th grade.
Yeah, that's the first thing I said. Said you learn this, and I'm just taking it a little bit further with cylinders. But let's review rectangular prism, just like we did volume of a rectangular prism for one day. Okay, so for this, you really need good spatial reasoning, meaning like you can see things and imagine this in 3D in your head and rotate. It's developed as you get older. Okay, so the front of the box. This right here that I'm going to color orange would be the front of my box. What are the two measurements of the front of my box?
10 and 4.
So I would go 10 times 4. What's 10 times 4?
40.
So this would be 40 meters squared. Now the front side, here are my Kleenex box. the front side is equal to what?
The back side.
The back side. So therefore, if the front side is 40 meters squared, then the back side is
40 meters squared.
Make sense? Okay, the left side. The left side I'm going to color in blue.
Light work.
Okay, what are the two measurements of the left side?
5 and 4.
5 times 4. This is 4. So what's 5 times 4?
20.
20 meters squared. Now, the left side is the same size as the
Right side.
right side. So if the left side is 20 meters squared, then the right side is
20 meters squared.
okay, the bottom. I'm going to color it, the bottom or top, red. That's the bottom of my shape. What are the measurements of the bottom of my shape?
5 times 10.
5 times 10 is
50.
50 meters squared. So if the top or the bottom is 50 meters squared, then the top is
50 meters squared.
okay. Did I find the area of each side? I found the area of each side. Now, how do I find surface area? I add them all up. So I'm going to add 40, 40, 20, 20, 50, 50.
220 meters squared. Isn't it meters squared?
Area. So its total surface area is 220
Meters squared.
meters squared. It's area, right? So if it's area, we're going to do squared. Only in volume do we do cube. Only in volume do we do cube. Questions? You did this in 6th grade. This is not new. You did this in 6th grade. Find the surface area of a rectangular prism. So front and back, left and right, bottom and top. What are the measurements of my front of my box? What is it? 6 and what? 6 and 4. 6 times 4? 24 centimeters squared. So if the front is 24, then the back is 24 centimeters squared. All right. Now the left side or the right side, I can clearly see my right side. This is my right side here. What are the measurements of my right side? What's 3 times 4? All right, top or bottom, whichever one you want to do. I'm going to color mine blue. What are the measurements of the bottom? 6 and 3. Some of you had a hard time with this in the blue packet last week, which we'll do on Wednesday. We'll continue the blue packet on Wednesday. What's 6 times 3?
18.
18. Okay, so now it's the last thing we have to do.
Add them all up.
Add them all up. 24, 24, 12, 12, 18, and 18.
108 centimeters squared.
10, 20, 28, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 108. Yeah, that's what I got. So my surface area is 108 centimeters squared. Easy?
Yeah.
I hope so, because it is 6th grade. 6th grade. Okay, can you guys do, just for kicks, can we do on the next page, let's do number 1. Yeah, let's just do number 1. Set timer for 2 minutes. So can you guys do number 1 in 2 minutes?
Yeah.
So it's exactly what we did over here. Okay, so there's not a lot of room, so I'm going to do it on top. What's your front? What's your back? your top, your bottom, your left, and your right area. So you're finding the front, the back, the top, the bottom, the left, the right. This is from 6th grade. I haven't started the 7th grade math. So tell me the front area, the back area, the top, the bottom, the left, the right. What's the area of the front and back?
39.
39. What's the area of top or bottom?
117.
117? 117, 117. And then what's the area of the left or the right?
27, 27.
Very good. So if you got 39, 117, 27, you did the math correctly. Now what's the sum?
366 inches squared.
Yes, 366. Very good. Thank you. Very good. All right. Are we good?
Yes.
Squared. All right. So that's 6th grade. Ready? All right. Triangular prism. How many sides does a triangular prism have?
6. No, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can call this like the left, the right, and then what do we call the side? It's weird because like this is the bottom, but there's no really top or bottom or left. We just call them rectangle 1, 2, and 3. Rectangle 1, 2, and 3. I think. Let's see. How do they call them?
Wow.
Oh. The area of the front triangle, area of the left side, the right side. Okay, it's going to be interesting how they do this math. All right, let's do it. Triangular prism. Guess what? It's still 6th grade.
Really?
Yeah. Did you guys learn triangular prism or not?
I don't know.
All right. Let's do it. So, for surface area is just finding the area of the sides. What makes it hard is that there's a lot of sides. It's a lot of work. Is it difficult work? No, you're just finding areas. It's not difficult, it's just a lot. And for some of you, it's like, oh, I don't want to do this, so much work. But it's not hard work. So, area of the front triangle. So remember, area is base times height divided by 2. So here's the front of my triangle. I'm going to color it blue. Okay, there's the front of my triangle. What's the base of the front of my triangle?
6.
6. What's the height of my triangle? 4, and I'm going to divide that by 2. So what's 6 times 4 divided by 2? 12. So the area is 12 of this triangle. What's the area of the back triangle? Lucero, there we go. Hello. What's the area of the back triangle? 12. So 12 feet cubed.
Wait, cube.
Squared. Sorry. Squared. Squared, squared, squared. Okay. Now, the left side, the right side. Sometimes they're equal to each other, and sometimes they're not. Okay. The left side, the right side. This would be the left side over here. And it's a rectangle. Do you guys see it by what I'm coloring?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, it's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. So the area would just be base times height, or length times width. What would be the base of my rectangle?
9.
9. What would be the height of my rectangle?
4.
No. 5. So this is where I talk about spatial reasoning. Like, can your brain turn this object around and see where the numbers land? The 4 is like inside the triangle. The 5 is this side right here. This is 5.
Oh, wait. My eyes should move.
So what's 9 times 5? So 45 feet squared. Now, the side over here, the right side would be this part right here, this rectangle. What are the two measurements of that one? 9 times 5. You're thinking it's an isosceles triangle. So what's 9 times 5? 45 feet squared. All right, now the last one, which you can't forget about, it's kind of hidden. It's right here. Yeah, exactly. What? Bottom. The bottom is this rectangle here. What is the area of the bottom part? 9 times 6. I think I wrote that wrong. It should have been the 9 on the other side. So what's 9 times 6? 54 feet squared. So now what do I do to find surface area? Add them all together. 45, 45, 12, 54. 45, 45, 12, 54. 10, 12, 16. Oh my God, I forgot the other 12. Thank you, Alana. You're right. I'm wrong. 178? No, 168. No. 168. I know how to add. Yeah, totally. Surface area is 168 feet squared. 168 feet squared. So I add all the numbers and I forgot that 12. My mistake. So again, for surface area of a triangular prism, you're finding the area of each side. And there's 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. 3 rectangles and 2 triangles. Now, next triangle. Do you guys see how? Is this an isosceles or scalene triangle?
Isosceles.
Scalene, because are any of the sides equal? No. So if no sides are equal, then that means no rectangles are going to be equal. We can't do like, oh, the left and the right are the same. They're all going to have a different answer. So let's start off with the easy one. The area of the triangle. Okay? What is my base? What's my height divided by 2? So here's my triangle. Just look at the triangle piece, Darwin. Don't touch that. What's the base? 3 times what's my height? 4 divided by 2. What's 3 times 4? Divided by 2? 6. Logan, are you all done with this? Are you done with this? You're waiting? Why is he waiting? Is he waiting? Why is he waiting? Well, don't be like that. You gotta work faster than me, not slower than me. All right, now, that's your triangle. Base times height divided by 2, which gives you 6 inches squared, 6 inches squared. Now, the left side. You can actually see the left side. This would be your left side right here. So what are the 2 measurements of my left side? 7 and 5, which is 35 inches squared. Now, my right side is totally different. My right side is totally different. You can't see my right side. The right side is back here. Back there is my right side. What are the measurements of my right side that you can't see? Yep, very good. 7 and 4. So it would be the back side. Can't see it. What's 7 times 4? All right, now the bottom, which you also can't see. The bottom is down there. But I need your spatial reasoning. It's like taking this 3D shape and kind of rotating it in your head. What is my bottom measurements? 7 times 3. What's 7 times 3? 21 inches squared. You also could think about it as like, I need to pair every number up. Every number has to be paired up. All right, so now let's add 6 plus 6, 35, 28, 21. 6 plus 6, 35, 28, 21, 9, 10, 11, 16, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. What do we got? 96? Yep, 96 inches square. We okay?
Is this still 60?
I think triangular is like 6th and 7th grade. They might, like, for 6th grade give you an isosceles triangle or an equilateral triangle, so all the rectangles are the same. I think for 7th grade, to make it harder, they would give you a scalene, so no sides are the same, all your numbers are different. I can imagine, I don't know, I'm just guessing, like, what if they give you like I want to build a tent. How much fabric do I need for a tent? Have you guys ever been in a tent?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I've been in a tent.
I don't know.
Tent is an equilateral.
Equilateral triangle. Well, next time you're in a tent, figure it out, you know. But do you need fabric on all sides?
Yeah.
You need front fabric, back fabric, on the right, the left, and the bottom, right? So you need so these are all, think of fabric for a tent. I don't think I've ever been in a tent. No, thank you. No.
Why does it make a triverse?
You've never been camping?
Well, like this is like, no thanks. Like this is like a tent. Do you see? Right? This one, I don't think, this is like someone built the tent wrong.
Half of the tent.
Yeah. Okay, let's do, for the sake of sanity, let's do 1 and 2 right now.
No, we can't just one.
Just 1 and 2. 1 would be like 6th grade, and 2 would be 7th grade. If you need a calculator, go for it. You're still going to show work.
How was one?
1 would be 6th grade because 2 of the numbers are the same.
Oh, word.
Okay, Darwin, let's not distract people who want to make sure they do this correctly. And then number 2, it's a nice scalene triangle. No sides are the same.
We were doing 1 and 2.
1 and 2. 1 and 2. Remember, you need the triangle, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. What is the area of the 2 triangles? The area of rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. So that's how I organize my work. So area of the 2 triangles, area of the rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, or the left, the right, the bottom. Show your work. I'm going to do it right now with you. Set timer for 5 minutes. Tell me the numbers that you're multiplying. So if you make a mistake, we can see what, oh, you didn't use the right numbers. And if you want to use a calculator, you can. All right, well, we're recording again. 20 seconds. Oh, I didn't do the last one. Sorry, hold on. 60, 30. One and 2 and 5 minutes. And then 19 times. All right. Okay, what'd you guys get for number 1? Yeah, Gregory, what'd you get for the number 1?
I got 396 inches squared.
Okay.
Is that wrong?
Nathan, what'd you get in the back? Number 1. Total for number 1. Yeah. So some of us got it right. 544. So you get 40. You get 48 for the 2 triangles, right? So check your work. 48 for the 2 triangles. Did you have 48? Yeah. Then you get 140, 140, and then you get 168 in any order. Like these can be in any order. The 140s don't have to be like 1 and 2, but these are the numbers you have to have. 48, 48. Then 140, 140, 168. So I showed my work, so if you made a mistake, you can be like, oh, I didn't do this part.
I added 140 plus 140 wrong.
I think I multiplied.
I added 140 plus 140
Oh,
wrong.
I did the multiplication for 12 times 14, right? But have to add that at the end.
Oh, I forgot to divide.
All right. So, Gio, what'd you get for number 2? What'd you get for number 2? Okay. Jade, what'd you get for number 2?
I haven't wrote it down yet.
Okay. That's okay. It's not okay. That's not okay. Bruce, what'd you get for number 2?
I had the same thing.
Okay. All right. So number 2, 630. Triangles are 30 and 30. Rectangle 1 is 247, 228, and then 95.
No wonder the box was open. No, I'm just kidding.
Should I be ashamed of the kids who are just copying me right now?
No, miss. I'm not copying. I actually doing my work.
Yes, but there's a lot of kids who are like,
Wait,
No,
how do you
I
know
was
which
just-
one's
I was just
rectangle
looking at what I
one?
did wrong.
Yeah,
how
are we supposed
to know which one's
it doesn't matter.
Oh, I got the answer. So I
Oh,
put
so it's
zero
just
on.
any?
Yeah.
Oh,
All right.
I might be smart.
Any questions? I'm not gonna do cylinder until tomorrow. It's extremely hard. Cylinder's another level of. Yeah. No, cylinder is it is 100% 7th grade, but we'll focus on cylinders tomorrow, especially because there's a lot of kids absent today. So for a grade, I'm gonna have you do 7, 8, 9 for a grade.
Can we use calculator?
Yes, I allowed you to use calculators, but you didn't do it. Okay. What do you have to show me for 7, 8, and 9? I still need to know the. Need to show me the work. So, triangle, triangle, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. So you still have to tell me what's the area of the triangle, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, triangle, triangle, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3. So that's what the work that I need for you to show me for each of these. There's 13 minutes left of class, so in 13 minutes, I want you to finish these 3 problems and then turn them in. I don't know.
How about 2,000?
No, 2,000. 2,000 seems fair.
How about win the league?
You're wasting your time. You gotta get this done before the bell rings.
Where's the phone?
I'll show you my work for number 1 to kind of remind you what I'm looking for. Like, this is the work for number 1. Okay, so that's the work.
You can do this without a calculator.
Especially number 7. I think number 8, once you got the 17 and 16, you might need a calculator.
And 20.
So what's the area of the triangle? And then pick a rectangle, another rectangle, pick a third rectangle.
I know why you got it wrong. I divided by 2 in triangles.
So you divide by 2 on the triangle. That's muy importante.
finished. Like that. Listen, Manly,
What's up?
when you look at the back of the triangle, like when it shows you the entire thing, it turns it to the front and then you can see the bottom.
I'm sorry, I'm a little preoccupied trying to hide this.
Why are you hiding it?
Because here it says that a pentagon has 5 sides, and the quadrants, and then triangle.
I'm not
has-
even gonna need that, bro.
Yeah.
Well, it's all about making
What
sure
is on
that we follow the directions,
it? That's crazy.
so we're not called.
Miss, I think I need that.
Wait, a pentagon
My
has how many
smartness
sides?
is out of this world.
And a triangle has 3?
Yes.
Is this what it says?
Yeah, it's I'm gonna use a calculator. I don't care, bro.
Oh, it's gonna say that I need that. He's using a calculator.
No, I do that wrong.
Anyways, I'm not doing that.
I know. I know. That was a different thing. I wrote it down on the wrong thing.
Okay. What else gives math away in the class?
Colleges.
Miss, I don't see anything.
Yeah, she covered that up. We should shoot.
If you're right, I write. If I write, you're right. Yeah, I think that it says 24, 25.
Yeah, she should
There's
cover
numbers
that.
on it.
The no earbud sign has dimensions. It gives the
They get covered with Legos consists 18 plus 100 is 10,343.
That's true.
Look, I'm showing you that.
You're true.
Miss, that thing says LeBron over there. It's
So
gonna
that
distract me.
LeBron is gonna make people motivated to do better. You
Yeah.
should take it
No,
out.
it's gonna distract me.
We should cover
LeBron
that.
is gonna distract team. You should take it down.
Yeah.
How about the dog? It says attitude is math.
Get out, dog.
Attitude, man.
Because then if in the test they ask what is math,
956.
Yeah, you said attitude.
What is love?
Alright, bro.
Well, it doesn't mean he's right or wrong.
Are you doing calculator?
I'm doing without a calculator.
But even if you have a calculator, you're right.
Number 9. Number 8. I got.
Wait.
Were you doing number 9?
Wait. Yes.
I thought it was only 7 and 8.
7 and 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yes.
7, 8, 9. You're so funny.
Wait, even if you got 900, I didn't even get that for number 8. I got 1, 2, 3.
What'd you get? What'd you get for number 8? What'd you get for number 8?
Yeah, see, I got the same as Amon.
I used the calculator.
I didn't use one. And
I
I'm-
got 1.2.
I'm pretty sure our calculator.
I'm not finished using a calculator.
guys, did you see the
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm talking to him before.
Not like
Yo.
you just
It's your unk.
I'm not on.
It's just because you've been alive for so long.
What'd you get for number 8?
whoa.
I don't get this.
Bro,
Like,
number
what
eight.
else? The triangle's supposed to be like this, and with the squares and that is the
Melody, do you have tissues?
with the 90-degree angle is equating that.
Yeah.
So it's
Amanda, what'd you get for number
5
9?
2.
That.
Yeah.
It's
What'd you get for 9?
Yeah.
I'm doing. Oh, let me just add them up right now.
Okay. Mr. Melody, do you have tissues?
Go to the triangle. No, just go to the triangle.
10 times
What's the base of the triangle?
12.
No,
And
the
then
triangle.
12.
Which one has a shape that? There you go. That's your triangle. What's
I
your
got
base?
336.
What's your
Me
height
too.
of your triangle?
2.
Good. So base times height divided by 2. Yeah. So write that down for the triangle. Right here. Triangle and triangle are both 6. 6 and 6. Now pick a rectangle.
10.
110.
Yeah, I'm just gonna perfect. So 10 times 3.
What did you tell stuff?
Now, okay. What's the
96. You're so used to it.
4, right? And then what's this number? 10. Right now to the bottom.
What's 6 times? 6 times 12.
Yep.
72.
6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus
I just said it now.
15. 8 times 2 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 9 is 12.
All right, Aries has been updated.
14, 15, 16. Carry the 1. Now you have
I think you did.
265.
The bottom is 12 times 6.
Did you get 265?
The bottom is
No.
18.
What?
16 times 15.
Not ugh.
Huh?
You didn't get 265?
What'd you get for 9?
3, 3.
I got the same thing. That's it.
Surface area of. What's up?
Come on, man.
Oh, you're better off checking with each other because I don't have the answers yet. So check with someone. You can
Eldon.
check with Eldon.
Got it
Can you
right.
check with me?
124.
Hold on, I need to check with
You only got it right because we said it.
Checking if the smart light.
He does make mistakes though, so I wouldn't 100% go with whatever he has.